somebody who watches our makeup videos regularly, but फिर भी जब खुद से वो makeup recreate करने की कोशिश करो, तो it's always a failed attempt. मतलब you feel like you're doing everything right, but somehow the final result isn't as satisfactory as the ones you see in online makeup videos like this one. I think I might know कि आप कौन सा step गलत कर रहे हो. Wanna find out? चलो जल्दी से go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Not applying primer is one of the main reasons why your makeup looks bad. क्योंकि प्राइमर का काम ही है to help the foundation adhere properly to the skin. साथ ही प्राइमर आपके pores, fine lines और skin texture को blur और smooth कर देता है. They also act as a shield, safeguarding your makeup and ensuring it stays put all day long. Here is my recommendation. This is the Lakme Absolute Glow Primer. It is an illuminating primer that has luminescent pearls that helps create a glowy base. This magical formula not only preps your face, but also works wonders in blurring imperfections and ensuring a long-lasting wear. One of the most cringe-worthy makeup blunder is when your foundation totally misses the mark and leaves you looking like a walking color chart. Meaning your foundation that you've chosen is evidently different from your natural skin tone. इस awkward situation को prevent करने के लिए it's crucial to find the right shade of foundation. The trick to finding your perfect shade that matches your skin tone is to always swatch the foundation close to your jawline and then blend it out. अगर वो आपके skin tone में disappear हो जाता है, leaving no trace or awkward contrast, girl, you've found your goat. But if it's still playing hide and seek with your real skin tone, then keep searching for a shade that harmonizes with your complexion. Now, this is not as easy as it seems. I often get 2 to 3 shades of the same foundation before committing to the full-sized version. Precisely why I love minis. Here is a mini foundation I have been loving. This is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. इस foundation में primer infused है, so if you tend to skip your primer, this should be a good pick. Alright, let's tackle a common eye makeup mistake that can definitely make your makeup look bad. I'm talking about the creased, patchy, unblended eyeshadow. सबसे पहला reason for eyeshadow creasing is not prepping the eyelids. Prepping the eyelids creates a smooth base for your eyeshadow, helping it adhere better, making the pigments pop and ensuring that it stays put all day long. Now onto the patchy, unblended eyeshadow situation. We've all seen those harsh lines, blotchy eye looks that look like a color block. But fear not, my friend. Here comes the brush squad to the rescue. Meet our eye blending heroes. The first one is a fluffy blending brush. ये soft और fluffy brush ideal होता है for applying transition colors. साथ ही it helps diffuse different eyeshadow colors effortlessly, leaving you with a seamless finish. Second, you need a flat shader brush. It is a paddle-shaped brush that allows you to press the eyeshadow pigment onto the eyelid area. In turn, it helps increase the intensity of the color payoff. The third brush you need is a small tapered blending brush. This brush is all about the details, honey. It's your secret weapon for precise blending of 2 different colors, giving you a complete control over your eye makeup game. And lastly, you need a smudger brush. This little gem is all about that smoky, sultry effect. Use it to create that perfectly smudged look. Just run it along your lower lash line for that soft, smoky look. And the last makeup mistake is that your lipstick looks dry and flaky. अगर आपके lips dry or chapped है, your lipstick is gonna have a rough time. So what you should do is exfoliate the lips regularly and slather on some lip balm or a juicy lip mask before lipstick application. And another culprit could be using a lipstick formula that's too drying for your lips. So, here's the secret sauce. Go for creamier or satin finishes. They'll give you that moisture and smoothness you crave. And guess what? Lakme has just dropped their sassy satin collection, the Lakme Absolute Skin Dew Creme Lipstick. This is a satin bullet lipstick that is infused with skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid and avocado oil that moisturizes and conditions the lips while giving you an all-day intense color. It has a buttery texture and it's super easy to apply. So, मिला कोई solution about what's wrong with your usual routine? If yes, let us know in the comments so everyone else can also take notes. Try perfecting the aforementioned steps and I can assure you your makeup will look so much more finished and effortless. But before you go and practice these new skills, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more awesomeness from our BeBeautiful channel. See you in the next video. Bye!